Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video demonstrates how to use the Skydroid G16 Wi-Fi hotspot to connect to the Windows version of Mission Planner via TCP protocol. This tutorial uses an open-source flight controller as an example. If you are using a third-party flight controller, please confirm in advance that it supports TCP connections. First, power on the G16 remote controller. Go to Settings, tap Network and Internet. Then enter Hotspot and Tethering. Select Wi-Fi Hotspot and enable it. After enabling the hotspot, you can customize the Wi-Fi name, set the security encryption type and password, and choose the Wi-Fi band. The G16 supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-band frequencies. Select the band with less interference based on your working environment. Next, open your Windows laptop. In the wireless network list, find the Wi-Fi name you just configured and enter the password to connect. This establishes network communication between the computer and the remote controller. Once connected, open the Mission Planner Ground Station software. Select TCP as the connection type and set the baud rate to 57,600. Click Connect. In the pop-up window, enter the IP address 192.168.43.1 and click OK. Then enter the port number 5760 and click OK again. Wait for the progress bar to complete, and the ground station should connect successfully. After the connection is established, move the aircraft slightly. You should see real-time attitude changes and status feedback in Mission Planner. In the radio calibration page, the control channel data should also update normally, indicating that both the telemetry link and control link are working correctly. At this point, you can arm the motors and proceed with further flight operations. Using this Wi-Fi hotspot TCP connection method, you can complete wireless communication between the ground side and Mission Planner without additional network cables. Deployment is simple and well suited for quick on-site debugging and testing. That concludes this tutorial on connecting the Skydroid G16 to Mission Planner via Wi-Fi hotspot. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring you more drone tutorials, product tests, and application demonstrations. See you in the next video.